Grab your popcorn and get ready for our top secret application process. Our game-changing sauce for your hair game. No cap? You want to lock in that perfect water-resistant hold? We got you. With our blueprint right here using our Hair Illusion real hair fibers. Trust us, this is a game-changing wave. First up, spray with our hold spray. 6 to 8 sprays, let it dry for about 30-45 seconds. Second, grab our spray applicator and go in with the fibers. This is where the magic happens. Next, time to lock it down with our water-resistant spray. 6 to 8 sprays. Let it dry, then hit it with a low-heat blow dryer to make sure it's sealed tight. Whether you're male or female, we got you covered. It works for balding, thinning hair, edges, facial hair, and eyebrows. And the best part? You don't need a barber, just your Hair Illusion kit and a mirror. It only takes a few minutes to apply. To achieve the maximum water resistance, you must double up. Apply the spray again and run through the same steps one more time. Layer it twice for that unbeatable maximum resistance. Rain, showering, swimming in the pool or ocean, sweating at the gym, no problem. Your hair fibers are staying put. And boom, it's now water resistant. You're free to get it wet. Get ready to see it in action, of how you too will never have to worry about getting caught in the rain, taking a shower, or swimming with your hair fibers on. We spent years developing our water-resistant spray, and no one has our secret formula yet. It's truly game-changing innovation for men and women. Now for that long-lasting hold as you see here, you must use our water-resistant spray and specific application process. Want to switch up styles quick? Stick with our hold spray. When you're ready to wash it off, just shampoo and scrub. But this hold ain't letting go easy. It'll last a week or longer with proper application and care. And for the ultimate proper care finesse, wrap it up at night with a scarf, bandana, or do-rag. Keep it locked down while you sleep. Wake up ready to stunt. Hair Illusion is designed for everyone. Every hair type, texture, length, and style. It's time to level up your hair game. Let's get it! Order now at www.hairillusion.com or use our store locator to shop at select nationwide CVS pharmacy stores.